seem to work there. Irvine, you don't suppose 130-mile-an-hour wind kind of helping you once you get about halfway there? It might do it, yeah. I don't think there's any choice once it gets about 3/4 of the way there. And now as we watch out there off of Air show left. Folks, we got to see some real wing walking action a little bit earlier when Tony moved from that position up on the top wing. Let's watch as they swing back in out here from our left side. Dave's got the power up on that base here with biplanes. They come back and around, keeping the airplane exactly where Tony KJ expects it to be. On this pass, you're going to get a chance to see some more pretty real wing walking action as Tony is going to climb back down from on top of the airplane to the lower wing and then back onto that javelin strike. You can see he's got one leg back down in the lower wing. And now you can see Tony on those 40s are sharp. Slamming